bonitos de España. Wonderful.
So this is the seaside town of Garachico. So let's go to the town square. So next, let's walk around the town center of Garachico to see beautiful square and church. So this is the town of Garachico with cobble and narrow streets.
Oh, there's some nativity over there. Let's walk inside.
La Quinta Roja Hotel.
Okay. Look at a very interesting hotel. La Quinta Roja Hotel. Oh. Oh, how beautiful. Oh, that is wonderful. Look at the butterflies. In December, butterflies.
Be careful with your bag.
Yes. Uh-huh.
Beautiful gift from Garachico, Tenerife. Postcard for you.
Great gifts.
Hola from Garachico.
Oh, look at this amazing restaurant. Oh, absolutely beautiful.
So this is the municipal council or council square of Plaza de La Libertad.
Amazing. Look at this.
And they have a Christmas decoration already. Let me see.
Oh, like this one? Uh-huh. Okay, let's finish with that. Okay, Three Kings. Three Kings. And king number 4 here, Angel.
So we are having coffee and baguette
Oh, delicious.
in the town square of Garachico.
Okay, beautiful relaxing time in a nice cafe in Garachico. Oh yes, have a nice sandwich and olives,
Pimienta.
pimienta. Oh, how lovely. Six. And the
Casa de
strong
Piedra,
The
Palacio
building is a
Condes
highly
de la
structural
Gomera.
Nowadays, only the rusticate masonry in the facade's main entrance columns has been preserved, which is an example of quiet places to walk around.
So this is the church of Santa Ana.
Iglesia Parroquia Martis de Santa Ana.
Beautiful alley near the church of Santa Ana. And there is a walkway to the seaside.
Oh, how beautiful. Oh, how wonderful. Ah, Villa. Uh-huh. Oh, wow.
Look at the red building.
And beautiful Spanish Red Wall. Beautiful small alley. There's a guy here.
Action.
Ceramica Petemps. Oh wow, fantastic.
So next, let's see Puerta de Tierra.
Puerta de Tierra. And this is the park. Puerto de Garachico. Park de la Puerta de Tierra. Oh yes, it does look very beautiful. That design. Oh wow, yeah. Oh, various levels of this park. Very nice. We can go over there. Okay. That's a very old timber. Oh, good. Pasteleria. Very pretty place.
So this is Playa El Muelle.
Yes, and we are just here. Which is for the water.
Just a small pebble and black sandy beach
Uh-huh.
in Garachico. Look at the cliff behind it. So this is El Muelle.
People are swimming there, you see?
Oh yeah, I can see some people swimming on this El Muelle beach, Playa de El Muelle.
Perfect. Yes, a video all the time. Oh yeah.
So this is Punta del Muelle.
Oh, there are some people swimming.
With
Very interesting.
spectacular views of the Atlantic Ocean. quite an interesting way to collect plastic for recycling, plastic and can for recycling.
Such a place. Very nice.
Let's see the Atlantic Ocean from Punta del
There's
Muelle.
like a cave over there.
Oh, yeah, you
Very
can see a
interesting.
cave
Yes.
on
I
the other
could see
side.
birds flying inside.
And there is artwork over there. Villa and Puerta de Garachico.
Crab over there. Look. And,
Where's-
oh, many of them. From this angle you can see them.
Crab.
Yeah, you can zoom in. Yeah, there are many of them over there. Oh, yeah. Oh, yes, there are several. I can see one piece of Wonderful.
So this is the sculpture of Tensei Tenmoku, which means door without a door. So this artwork is done by a Japanese artist, Kan Yasuda.
Kamasuda.
Interesting. Let me show you the seaside of Garachico.
Yes. Video. Hard work.
Left, right,
No,
left.
doesn't go.
Left, right.
Doesn't go. I will tell you. It's probably rusty. No, it's rusty. It's rusty. Doesn't move. Oh, look at this. Exercise by the sea. Supposed to be very healthy.
Villa and Puerto de Garachico.
Garachico.
History of Garachico.
Let's go to swim. Don't waste time. Let's go to swim. Okay. Beautiful entrance to the place where you could swim, if possible, in a natural environment. Unfortunately, there is blocked entrance now. Okay, yeah.
So this is the Castle of San Miguel in Garachico. So this is Piscina's Natural El Caleton, natural rock swimming pool. So unfortunately, we cannot swim at the El Caleton because it's closed now. Probably due to strong wave.
Let's just look around and enjoy the view. Oh, fantastic. Yeah.
Yeah, you're back.
Yes, I know.